Hello everybody, my name is Brian Forbes and this is my introduction video for the course. I'm married, I have two kids. My daughter is almost 2.5 and my son was only born just over 2 months ago now, so kind of a new papa all over again, so that's been really fun. I'm a coach, I've been coaching for a long time. I took a small break just this last quarter here from football so that I could kind of wrap up everything to do with my master's degree, but I'm really excited to get back into it here with basketball season. Another fun fact about me, just to kind of throw it in there, my favorite movie is Monty Python and the Holy Grail. There's something about the scene towards the end where they're looking for the beast, and it is the rabbit. So okay, don't judge me on my terrible reenactment, but anyway, that's my favorite movie. So just a couple of facts about me. So as far as my professional life is concerned, I currently work at Monticello Trails Middle School. I'm a pathways teacher. It's a new course. Basically, it's about career exploration. But before that, I was an English teacher, writing specifically here for the last 5 years. And then in Oklahoma, I was a high school English teacher for 5 years. So basically, my entire career has been based around the English classroom. So looking at some of my goals kind of here in the next couple of years, like I said, I plan to graduate with my master's this semester. This is actually my very last class. I will be taking my comprehensive exam in November, and then I hope to take and pass my licensure exam as well right at the beginning of next year and start looking for jobs in the spring. So within the short term, I hope to be maybe an assistant principal within the next year or two, and then eventually moving up to being a head principal of a middle school would be my ideal, but I'd also be interested in the high school level as well. So that's kind of my future looking forward. So next, kind of thinking about, what I hope this course teaches me, what I get out of it. Well, I kind of just want to know more about like what the behind the scenes elements are for when it comes to curriculum design, especially on the district level. This new class that I currently teach, Pathways, I was a big part of helping design that process. I was on a committee that was selected to help design since I was going to be teaching it. It was a brand new course. It's never been done before. And a lot of that has to do with push from the Kansas State Department of Education about wanting to have students have an IPS for individual plans moving forward, talking about how we can better prepare them for high school classes, for college or trade schools, and then tracking them beyond to make sure that they are successful. So that's kind of the idea behind the course anyway. But I would like to know more about like how do we choose standards from the district level. So when I went into that meeting, they just gave me the standards and then told me, you and your committee are going to figure out how to implement those. But so where did they come up with these, and how did they choose that they were the best? And then what other decisions besides, State Department's, mandates go into curriculum design? Does it have more to do with, student interest and choice? Does it have to do with employment possibilities in the community? And I hope to kind of learn more about that through this course. All right, that's really about it. Thank you for watching my intro video, and I look forward to watching yours. Have a great day.